Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna from Moogambika Devasthanam. Today is Panchangam, 9th April 2026, Thursday, Painguni Masam, that Meena Masam 26th, Vishwavasnama Sambalsaram, Uttarayaram, Shishira Rudo, Painguni Masam, that is Meena Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tithi up to 7:33 p.m. Saptami, then Ashtami, Thursday, that is Guruvasaram, Nakshatram up to 7:20 a.m. Moolam Nakshatram, then Puranam Nakshatram. Today's Rahu Alam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Yamagandam 6 to 7:30 a.m. Guligalam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Good time 10:30 to 11:30 a.m. then 5 to 6 p.m. Today's Chandrashtam for Rishabha Rashi, Shulam South, Prayachittam Ginjiri oil, Sradha Tithi Saptami. Om Sri Matre Namaha.